Utility PV scenarios are complex and diverse. Distance and downtime are the biggest challenges for PV systems. Traditional inverters depend on manufacturers for fault repairs. The process is time-consuming and labor-intensive, and it causes significant power loss. Inverter OEM requires new solutions.
Mr. Luo.
Mr. Tian, you're here. Hello. Welcome to the Hubei PV plant, Mr. Tian. Today, we'll be testing the 1+X 2.0 Modular Inverter with its new intelligent O&M features. Come on, let's take a look.
Alright, let's go.
This is the 1+X 2.0 Modular Inverter we are testing today. Let's start with its intelligent fault diagnosis.
Alright.
The backend has displayed a fault in the inverter module. 1+X 2.0 monitors inverter operation in real time. It can identify more than 20 types of faults without dismantling the unit.
Fast and accurate. That's really smart. So once the fault is found, what's next?
Let's take a look. This is our unique split modular design with the separate upper and lower parts. When the inverter malfunctions, repairs can be completed simply by replacing a module.
Is module replacement complicated?
Not at all. On-site operators can replace it themselves. The inverter module weighs only 105 kilograms. 2 people with some auxiliary tools can easily handle it. Mr. Tian, why don't you time how long it will take?
Sure, let's try it.
The replacement steps are also very simple. First, remove the front panel. Next, disconnect the copper bar terminals. Then, take out the faulty module. Finally, install the new module. Next, we restart the system. The inverter unit is now back online and connected to the grid.
The whole process only took 58 minutes. That's really fast.
Yes, this can improve the online rate of the inverter compared to traditional central inverters. We can reduce power generation losses by over 70%.
That's impressive. With intelligent fault diagnosis and modular design, the 1+X 2.0 has redefined O&M for utility-scale PV plants.
Less downtime means more power generation. No more waiting for fault repairs. Maximizing inverter uptime. 1+X 2.0 Small Modular Mega Impact.